Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneSignal push notifications to your Android app step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the OneSignal website. Once registered, log in to your account. Click on the New App button to create a new application. Select Android as the platform for your app. Enter your app name and hit Next. Choose the method of integration. For this guide, select Native for Android. Follow the prompt to enter your Android package name. You can find this package name in your Android project under the build.gradle file. Next, click on Next to proceed. Now, it's time to configure your Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project. Once your project is created, navigate to the Settings gear icon. Select Cloud Messaging from the sidebar. Here, you will find your server key and sender ID. Copy both the server key and sender ID. Return to your OneSignal account and paste the server key and sender ID into the appropriate fields. Once you've entered the necessary details, click on Save. Now, download the OneSignal SDK for Android. Open your Android project in your code editor. Add the OneSignal SDK dependency to your app-level build.gradle file. This requires adding the implementation line for OneSignal. Sync your project to ensure all dependencies are properly installed. Next, initialize OneSignal in your main application class. Add the initialization code within the onCreate method. Ensure to include the OneSignal app ID that you received. Now, add permissions for internet access in your Android manifest.xml file. Include the necessary permissions to allow for push notifications. To test push notifications, navigate back to the OneSignal dashboard. Click on Messages, then New Push. Compose your message and select your audience. Send the notification and check your Android device for the push notification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.